can see here, in fact, how good it does look indeed. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to do an unboxing video on Tamiya's Euro truck, the Reinert Euro racing truck based on the TT-01 chassis. So let's jump in the box and have a look what we've got with. So Tamiya have created this truck. It's been around and it's been created based on the 2016 Euro truck from the Reinert racing team. And they are, still currently competing. It's a really popular sport, and it's a really popular form of RC because it's an entry-level, pretty basic sort of class on a really reliable and robust chassis. And if you're not going to take it racing, then it's great fun to play with out in the street as well. So let's have a look what we get. So first thing we're greeted with is a big parts tree here. And we can open this one up because we're actually going to build this one. Excuse the rustling. So here we've got the dampers. Now these ones, the TT-01 kit doesn't use an oil-filled damper, it uses a friction damper, which is really just a retainer for the spring. We've got the upper suspension arms, the damper units, lower suspension arms here. So lots of cool parts, really good parts, great injection molding and engineering from Tamiya that you'd expect. Then we had the first part of the polycarbonate body, and that looks quite traditional. Now these bodies are made up of numerous pieces, so it's going to get this one out of the way while we have a look here. So we have the lower body, and it's going to look terrible on camera, but we have that, and you can see here it's got the really finite detail of the turbo, the rocker cover and intercooler, so forth, and you can put as much or as little detail into that as you want. And then you cut out the wheel arches here, so that is the lower part of the body, I suppose you call it. Then you've got this part here, which you cut up into about 4 or 5 pieces. So here we've got the front bumper bar, here we've got the main cabin part of the truck, and over here we've got the rear part of the cab. And yeah, so you can see there's quite a few parts that make up this body, and in fact you'll probably spend longer cutting out and painting the body than you will actually assembling the kit and installing electrics. So let's jump into the box a little bit further and see what we've got. Here we've got some of the more harder plastics. We've got, excuse me all the rustling. Here we have got parts tree A. We've got gearbox casing, shock tower. We've got rear hub, which is really strong, and front steering support here. And you can see why that these trucks are so very robust. Quite hard to break indeed. Here we've got some more parts trees. I won't open every one. Got the big top deck you can see here, which goes from one end of the chassis to the other, and then we've got also the battery brace, so forth. Here we've got more styling of the kit, so it's got our turntable, if you want to add that. We've got a rear bumper bar, we've got mirrors of course, and various bits of body trim and supports there. Again, I suppose that's why Tamiya are just known to make really high quality reproductions. I'm going to open up this one here. This is the traditional, what we refer to as a bathtub style chassis, and it's injection molded, and it is very stiff, really strong. So it's molded all from one piece, and you can see you can bolt your gearbox covers here and here. So yeah, and the center shaft runs up the center here with your spur gear recess right there, and then your motor will sit over here. Yeah, 4-wheel drive platform. Here of course we've got our truck inspired front and rear wheels, give it that really cool look. Then we've got Got our center drive shaft here, which although is plastic is notoriously strong. The drive cups, dog bones, steel drive pins through there of course, metal axles, really robust. Then we'll go forth to our, I'll open this one up. It's actually, this kit doesn't come with a speed controller. It does however have Tamiya's famed Torque Tune RS540 motor in there, manufactured by Mabuchi. You can see here we've got our gear diffs, front and rear gear diffs. Now they're open as in they're not full of oil like a fluid filled diff, but you do lube them up and grease them. But yeah, they're really strong. Bevel gear diffs. We've got some tools, some screws and some fasteners. Of course we've got the ever so common Tamiya 4-way wrench. You can see here, I will take the opportunity to open this one up. The big chunky gears we've got here. So here we've got our main bevel. See here the spur gear, all fibre reinforced plastics on this. 61 tooth in a module 0.6. And we've got our diff casing here. Again, really strong. You can see why these things are so very robust. Going forward, we've got our ever famous Tamiya servo saver here. We've got some more gears. We've got our pinions, some more gearbox gears and fasteners in here, hinge pins. And of course, being a Tamiya kit, we've got our mixture of nylon and bronze light bushes. So most people will upgrade that and replace those out with roller bearings, but the kit does have them nonetheless, and they are very robust if nothing else. And here we've got body clips and double-sided tape to fit your electrics and assemble the body once it's done. I'm going to take a look here. We've got our big foam bumper bar, got our quality Tamiya instructions, and of course a very generous Tamiya decal sheet. So I can see here, and the quality of the decals will be second to none on this. They give you plenty to decorate both the mechanics of the truck, if you don't want to put so much engine detail into it. Painting wise, you can sticker it up, and of course with all the sponsorship and that, if you would like to do the box art of Reinert Racing Team. Window masks, really cool. And we're greeted with the Tamiya classic and concise TT-01E instructions, step by step, really large pictures giving us a detailed view every step along the way, with a scale over on the left of the exact size of the parts that you'll be using in each and every step along the way. Yeah, you've got some warnings, and here we've got the instructions unique to this body set, which is the Team Reinert Racing Man TGS. So that is really cool. I'll take the opportunity here to have a look at one that we have assembled earlier, and this isn't a Tamiya body shell. This is in fact the Biddy Design body shell, but yeah, we've done that up in our Hearns racing colors, and you can see here in fact how good it does look indeed. So coming to a racetrack near you. And yeah, so that is me unboxing the Tamiya Reinert Euro racing truck. Yeah, grab a kit and check it out for yourself. I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching.